6 eco-friendly tips and why you should implement them now. Welcome to our FastKlean channel. Check out our videos, you'll surely find something useful for your day-to-day life. We fold together some of our best household cleaning tips and tricks to help you get a spotless home. You know you care about the planet, and that is why you are intent on creating a non-toxic environment. It all starts in your home, where you spend day after day with your family. It doesn't take much to understand that switching to some green cleaning methods holds a ton of benefits. That is exactly why the following eco-friendly cleaning tips will work so well for you. Number 1. Don't ever clean with bleach. Cleaning experts around the world agree that bleach is among the harshest ingredients that commercial products put in. It has the active ingredient of sodium hypochlorite, which is very corrosive. Direct contact with your skin can lead to irritations, rashes and allergies. When you use it, you can even get irritation in your eyes. It is best to replace any product you currently have with bleach for an eco-friendlier option. And it is not like there are no options in that regard. For example, you can use hydrogen peroxide as a milder option, which is non-toxic, and can still do a lot in terms of cleaning the bathroom, for instance. You can easily remove mold and mildew spots from grout lines, as well as clean hard water deposits from the tiles. Number 2. Switch to more non-toxic surface cleaners. The wide majority of commercial cleaners contain toxic ingredients, like ammonia, to remove stains. Switching to eco-friendly options doesn't mean you will have less cleaning power. On the contrary, you can remove stubborn stains and still not experience allergies and exacerbated symptoms of asthma when you mix equal parts of water and white vinegar. This is a very simple and yet effective solution you can use in your bathroom, the kitchen, or anywhere else in your home. Number 3. What is inside that window cleaner of yours? If you haven't looked at the list of ingredients in your window cleaning solution, now might be a good time to do so. Many brands have the MCI preservative, which acts as an antifungal agent, but can easily cause allergies and skin rashes. Dilute white vinegar in water and you get a cleaning power of equal measure, if not more, but without the negative side effects that follow. Number 4. Water-safe solutions are the way to go. Sometimes, when you are done cleaning, you will just pour the remaining cleaning solution into the drain. But do you know that all of these leftover chemicals affect the water supply? It is always best to switch to green cleaners like vinegar, baking soda and lemon juice, because they are water-safe. They don't pollute the water, because they contain no toxic ingredients. Number 5. Carpet cleaning made easy. A lot of toddlers spend a great deal of time on the carpet. That is why it is best to avoid commercial brand cleaners, which have some dangerous ingredients in them. You can have the same cleaning power when you use salt, borax and vinegar in equal parts to address a lot of different carpet stains. You will be surprised at the results. Number 6. Use bamboo fiber cloths. Instead of relying on disposable sponges and brushes to do your dirty work, invest in a bamboo fiber cloth. Not only are they designed to naturally attract dirt and other debris, but it is easier to use them for the removal of stains without even applying